Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Shadi Amiri and I'm a life transformation coach who has managed to transform my own life from the darkest and worst time of my life, from lower than rock bottom to my ultimate dream life in less than 1 year. And that's exactly what I'm teaching here on this channel. Today I'm here to talk about a secret about manifestation, something that every human who wants to be a dream life manifestation magnet needs to know. So if you want to be one of those people, watch this video to the end. And also I'm going to share with you one of the biggest manifestation journeys of my life, achievements, success stories of my life, the first ever manifestation success story of my life, which has led me to the manifestation magnet that I am today. So the reason I want to talk about this fact about manifestation is that the power of manifestation has been translated and transformed in a very, very wrong way into this world right now. The truth about manifestation is that you are currently manifesting. Today's life is the life that you have manifested based on your previous habits of last year and your thoughts last year and your belief system about your ability and your self-love and your self-awareness last year. That's the life you're living today. And that's why I'm saying you are always manifesting. The only thing that we need to learn and we need to master in life is to learn how to manifest properly in a way that we could design our dream future, how to get control over our mind, how to use the tools and methods that we have available in life to get control over our thoughts to design the perfect future. Now, I personally use the power of shapes, the power of numbers, the power of Mother Earth, the power of sun, moon, and the power of lights to manifest my dream life. I have dedicated 2.5 years of my life to create one of the most valuable online treasure portals for people who want to become a manifestation magnet. The name of the portal is DIY Your Happy Life online course, which shows every step of my journey, step by step, all the way to the end, all the methods, everything that I do every single day to become the manifestation magnet that I am today. And it helps people to do the same. And it basically makes me the full-time, lifetime coach for the members of that course. And it has lifetime membership. If you want to know more about the course, look into the description and find the detail. But let's get to today's video. So as I said, I'm going to share a success story about my own life to teach you and to tell you how I manifested my dream life. I used to live a very miserable life from every aspect of my life, from relationship, from love life, from emotional, from physical, from mental, from self-love, from every aspect of my life. I did not have control over what I was doing, over achieving my dreams. I was working in a business that I hated the most, and I had so many arguments and fights in my life. It was the worst lifestyle I ever had. Until one day, in the midst of all the misery that I was living at, I lost my only brother to sudden death. He was 37 years old, he slept and he didn't wake up. I went to the hospital, I looked at his lifeless body. It was the worst time of my life, but at the same time, the most brightening time of my life. Because at that moment, something went off in my mind that told me, Shadi, life is too short. You cannot just waste it like that. Who are you? Where are you? What are you doing? Find out what you're doing in life and become who you want to be. At that moment, this is what my mind has started to search for. It was a really hard, bittersweet experience, but that's the moment, that's the breakthrough moment of my life. Right after my brother passed away, I started doing research more and more deeper into manifestation. I started adding to all the knowledge that I had about manifestation. And what did I find? 2 keys, 2 secrets to becoming a manifestation magnet. These 2 secrets were what I was missing in life. And that's why no matter how many times I practiced the methods that I knew, none of them worked forever and none of them last forever. The 2 secrets were self-awareness and trust. These were the 2 things that I did not have in life. I learned that I have to become self-aware. I learned that I have to figure out who I was, what I was doing in life, what was I doing where I was, and how I had to find myself. I was lost. I had to find who I was, and I had to trust the power of the universe. So basically, self-awareness is the first part of your journey towards manifestation, towards becoming a manifestation magnet. I'm going to give you a practice on how to become more self-aware right now. But if you want to dive much deeper into self-awareness, self-love, self-respect, and all the steps that you need to learn towards manifestation, again, check out DIY Your Happy Life online treasure portal. But soon I'm going to give you a tip on how to become more self-aware. But let's talk about trust. If you're one of those people who still go around and ask people who are experts in manifestation, if you keep asking them, have you seen results? Did it work? Is manifestation real? If you're still asking these questions, then you really, really need to learn more about manifestation, because manifestation is way deeper than just going around and asking people if it works, because it is currently working in your own life. Pay attention to yourself 2 years ago, your mindset, your habits, your thoughts, and look at your life today. You're living those habits and mindsets. You manifested your life today. Now let's talk about self-awareness and how to become self-aware. Take a piece of paper. Just do this for yourself, because as I said, if you become self-aware day by day, the more you're aware of who you are, the more you realize the energies around you will shift towards manifesting your dream life. Take a piece of paper and start writing who you are. Start finding out, dig in deeper and deeper. Keep that piece of paper with you all day, every day. First of all, try to start noticing all your actions and thoughts, all your reactions, everything that you have, all your emotions throughout the day. Start by writing them down. For example, you have an argument with someone. Why did the argument happen? Is it because you had a feeling that you don't like about yourself? Is it because a jealousy came out? Does this situation happen often for you? Does it happen a lot that people don't understand you? Do you feel like you do not belong to this world? Why is it? Start noticing who you are. Start finding out all the good things and bad things about yourself, and start listing it out. And after a week of listing out all your emotions, why they happened, why you said something, why you got upset when someone said something to you, write it all down after a week. Sit down and separate your good and, I wouldn't call it bad, but your positive and negative emotions, your positive and negative habits, behaviors, all the things that you found out about yourself. And try to focus on the positives to make them better while you're trying to eliminate the negatives. So for example, if you find out you're a really loving and caring person and you start crying when you see someone is really happy, but at the same time you feel like you have a bit of jealousy some points somewhere in your life, try to boost up that kindness within you while you're focusing to eliminate the jealousy, while you're trying to get rid of that jealousy. This is a really good practice that you could carry on in your life for like months and months until you figure out who you really are. Now, if you're looking for way more deeper practices, again, check out DIY Your Happy Life online treasure portal. But for now, this is what you could do to find out who you really are, and try to trust the power of the universe, because as I said, you're already manifesting. You don't need to get proof from people if manifestation works. You are the proof. Take a mirror and see the proof of manifestation. Thank you so much for watching my video. I know you keep looking at this beautiful rose here. I personally love roses. I just want to talk to you about this for like 1 minute. So listen to this here. It's very close to Valentine's Day. It's a perfect gift for birthday or anniversaries. I personally love roses, but I don't buy them, and I ask my husband not to buy them for me because they die really fast and I don't like to watch them die. These are long-lasting roses. These stay for a long time. They stay fresh and beautiful for a long time, and their prices are super amazing comparing to buying roses throughout the year for your loved ones. This is super amazing. And plus, I have $25 off for you. Check out the description of this video if you want to get $25 off for this beautiful roses. There are so many different collections and arrangements. This is what I chose, but there are so many beautiful ones on their website. You're going to find their websites in the description below this video, and you're going to find my code, Shadi25, which gives you $25 off which is going to bring you to a really good price for a gift for your loved one. I would be really happy to see you on my Instagram, to see you as my friend. If you want to become closer to me, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I love to see you there. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I love to have you in my tribe. Don't forget to press that like button and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. It creates good karma for you. And don't forget to press the bell button because it's going to notify you every single week when I post a new video. And again, if you want to know more about the DIY Happy Life online course, there is a free webinar below in this description, below this video. There is a free webinar. It's free. You could watch the webinar and find out more about this DIY Your Happy Life online treasure, find out what it is and how it works and all the people who tried it and find out how people feel about it. Watch it in the free webinar. You're also going to learn very good trick of manifesting good mood for yourself in that free webinar. So go ahead and watch it and enjoy the free webinar. And if you're interested to join the course for the rest of your life and become a member for your lifetime, I will be more than happy to become your personal coach. So don't forget to, if you are interested to join, don't forget to join and become a part of my tribe. I love to become your coach and connect with you for the rest of our life. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being here with me. I love you and I'm rooting for you. And I cannot wait to see you on the next video next week. Thank you and have an amazing day filled with love, joy, and happiness and positivity, just like the way you are. Lots of love to you. Goodbye.